Good morning, Ghana. I believe, sir, by the grace of God, will be our here. I'm a Fakonya wish you, and I wish you will be a Merry Christmas in advance and a prosperous New Year. I feel sure, it's not been easy. People have been through a lot. All of us have been through a lot, but by the grace of God, I believe it's a crack out the There's something going on social media, which I believe, sir, because it's becoming too much. I don't know the kind of prophets we have in Ghana. Some of them, they are nuisance. It's so sad. The Bible says, you can't take the name of the Lord in vain. You can't anyhow. Because everybody's sorry happy. We are evangelists, we are apostles, we are teachers, prophet, we are prophet because I want to make kunkun and you cancer are fighting. Who made you priest and judge over people's lives? Who made you a prophet? Who called you? That's a calling now. What you say? Those days you can be a prophet. About what director said, that's say the Lord. They are this year. Okay, we are the prophet about can we are not transmitting what did he? No, I know. It makes you a fake prophet. Look at this, and then of course, organic. There's a people are taking delight and joy and happiness in. Men I'm ashamed come my way woo ye. Men I'm ashamed come my calamity see ye. Men I'm ashamed come my accident see ye. You know what? You are not a prophet. You are from the pit of hell. I just say. I don't know when I put you be editor. I want to include the panel. I will be social media. Who trains a baby? Now why Jimmy? Any part bawasha? We are fake. I'm telling you the truth because I know the Bible. Okay? Why? Nipa na usi obe we be yari we be say you know. Sako from wabushia. Na the na also wabushia penny wo fa no nua ma no so mbewu. Huh? Mama enya side no. We prophesy not because we've been called by God and saying upon us here, but we prophesy because of our belly. I'm telling you the truth. It's becoming too much. We are injecting, infusing fear into people's lives. We be with it, we be accident, we be crashing, we be say. You know why? Because they are celebrities. Because our can nipa no followers, nipa brave, but see now you oh different. No, you are fake. Being on celebrities, won't tell me party. Your spirit boyfriend left your time. So I spirit in the ensue. Bible says a control of the 7 gates of hell. Left your time. Very powerful spirit. Now I know what time is sub demon. Most of these people, that's where they go to take their powers. And this one can't be a torso. That's what spirit more hard. Then the spirit will take you to a celebrity because I say we found one. Rise up and pray. Shatta Wale will never die. Oh. Because our mission is feeding people, our ma, our brothers or sisters. When they say, here, Bible says, what doctor Tabone, so who be you go to the person, now in a casa or doctor and said, yeah, what is here? Who be away with you? You don't come on social media and lambast people. Check your life. That's just here. We are just, you're fighting, Nipa. Celebrate Nipa the bow, have a koto, oh, man of God, I mean, nobody will come to you. You are rather going to die. 2019, so I will suffer now. Fake 2019, when we first session control because the anger of God is coming. In the book of show S. Saniaba. Some of you now who they need Christ. So obviously, what share or can be so you pray for the Bible say, now for the name of Bonifo. Mutu when this year Bonnie, we are men shame come and a winner doing. Huh? Oh, and does it glorify God? No. So you are fake. I'm telling you the truth. All of us are to show base. Why? Young come saying now we be crash we tintino. Young put one papa bia. The year 2019, if you so called prophet who stand behind the pulpit, preach about the gospel and the second coming of Christ. Young put my no a bang, but be any faithful because of material get do be dear cars I can see a cars on the other. If you are cars better than binary. Do be dear. Cardin such a was and say Nipano. And that will be uno. What do you correction? Stop that fake prophecy. We will stop it. You are injecting fear into people. They all hear from the Marine Queen. Leviathan or the Shum. Bible see the team, the man is all by the team in Nasino. I is a fish. No more time and Kwabata back. Watch us here. So all these people, they go to them for those powers. No more could this and them to me. No more cancel to cancel to us. Me, I say, bet you, spiritual when stronger. Not a power. That's where they go. They sell candle, they sell the can oil, they sell soap, they do everything. And not be who or more mark. When you come to their church, they don't preach about Christ. They preach about prosperity and themselves and their belly. Fire go burn you. Change your life. 2019, you will die. All of you will die one by one. Bishop and Nyarko, I say so. Afuni pardon. Baby, I will be now. Oh, my own. Shamini Nyarko home come. Now, Nenye Dean. And yes, I told you when the shame. So, I'm Eugene Buntu. When you're not seeing you come again for Obiaka, I can't say, Nanyameda, Menintum, I shall not die. I will live. I will live. Let's share Yamiasem. I don't need anybody like that. Because the word the word of God is rooted in me. Aren't prophets are supposed to encourage, admonish, and lift people up. They are rather killing us. Can't quite hear something in Panajai, we be. What ferry?